now for CAT 2025, or is it too early for you to start? Or somebody is scaring you on YouTube that if you don't start now, you will not be able to crack CAT 2025. So, what is it? When to start? How to start? This is Deepika Avasthi, and today we are going to know the right path for CAT 2025, how to start, free resources. If you want to join somewhere, pay the money, how should we go about it? Everything else. So, one thing we need to understand before we start this session on all the clarity for CAT 2025, that I am not selling any course or anyone. So, whatever I'm going to tell you will be honest based on my last 11, 12 years of teaching experience, work experience in CAT industry. And normally, when should one start? How exactly should you start? Right way to prepare for CAT 2025 or any CAT exam for that matter. I would say, I mean, CAT 24, 25, 26, somebody is planning for CAT 26. उनको भी कब start करना चाहिए? I'm going to tell you everything in this video. Now, let us understand one thing, students, that from last 2 years, CAT applicants are exponentially increasing. Generally, 3 years back, approximately 2 or 2.5 lakh people used to take CAT exam. Recently, in 2024, it has been 3.8 lakh applicants. Out of that, so 3.8 lakh applicants, that means that is your competition. Now, top IIMs, if we just take the seats of top 20 IIMs, right? So seats are 5,100, approximately 5,000. Let's say good non-IIMs like SPGen, FMS, IITs, Great Lakes, etc. Again, 5,000 seats. So if you want to get into top 40 or top 50 colleges, you have to be among top 10,000 people. Your rank has to be among top 10,000 people out of 3.8 lakh people. And since the number is increasing, it is expected that in CAT 2025, approximately 4 lakh people will take this exam, right? So again, the competition is much more. Now, based on this, so what do we do, ma'am? Should we start or should we wait? Should we start because it's more than 1 year? Like, so is it that difficult? Because our friends have told us that they could clear the CAT exam within 6 months, right? That happens to a lot of, not to a lot, but some students. So what I suggested, first of all, students, understand your ground reality. Throughout your, say, school or college days, where have you stood? Have you been an average student, above average student, or a below average student? If you have been a below average or average student, you should start at least 1 year before. So maybe this month in October or November, CAT 2024 should be the ideal time for you. For CAT 2025, you should start in 2024 for sure. But if you have been above average students, you are a studious person, your graduation is from top colleges, maybe IITs or something similar to that, then maybe if you start a little late because your aptitude is already above average, maybe you can start a little late and you can still crack CAT exam. So for majority, I would say understand your reality, and for average students who have throughout, like in their any group, they have stayed average in their studies, marks wise and everything, they have to start 1 year before. That's the thing. Secondly, work on your skills. See, understand your dependency, students, right? Anyone who depends 100% on a coaching center is also going to find it difficult to crack CAT exam, or somebody who's not at all depending. Also, what I'm trying to say is, for example, you're not doing any self studies. You'll say, okay, right now I'll join somewhere, I'll attend all the classes, everything, and then I'll see. But what happens with majority of the average students, because their basic skills, basic concept, nothing is cleared, and you always, majority of the students end up joining group classes. Nobody is paying attention to you individually, and you face a lot of challenges, and exactly where you should go, how you should improve, you're clueless, and nobody is even focusing on you after you pay for the classes, right? You're just learning whatever you're learning in the group. Now you need to understand that you have to be 50% dependent. The 50% dependency should be on yourself, your hard work, your self-discipline, and 50% on the coaching center, on the teachers you're studying from. Like that. That is the best way to go ahead for anything, especially for this exam, right? You have to develop some basic skills. So if you're planning to start your CAT preparation now, for first couple of months, if you think, okay, I want to start, but I do not want to right now spend money because I'm not very sure whether I should do it or not, whether I'll be able to clear it or not, what is the level of exam, right? I hope I'm not wasting my time, I hope I'm not wasting my money. If these things are coming to your mind, I'll tell you what are the basic skills you should develop, few things you should do before joining somewhere, so that you'll get a clear idea, and then you can just take a decision maybe next month and next couple of months. So number one is, students, read half an hour daily, 30 to 40 minutes daily, some newspaper editorials, some essays. आप एक बार इंग्लिश के VRC वर्बल सेक्शन के पैसेजेस देख लो, राइट? किस लेवल के हैं? मे बी यू कैन डायरेक्टली रीड द पैसेजेस फॉर दैट मैटर. क्या लैंग्वेज है, एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश है, कितनी डिफिकल्ट वोकैबुलरी है, उस तरह के आप एडिटोरियल्स या एसेज या आर्टिकल्स आप रीड कीजिए. आर यू एबल टू डू दैट कंसिस्टेंटली? consistently. While you do that, are you working on vocabulary simultaneously? Now, for vocabulary, you don't have to work separately. When you read certain articles, 3 to 4 articles on daily basis, you'll end up learning some new words, right? Like that. Apart from that, calculation skills, basic calculation skills must be good. A lot of students are scared of maths. That should not happen once you join a coaching center, because again, as I said, nobody is going to work on you individually. If you're very weak in maths or very weak in English, आपके basic skills ठीक होने चाहिए. Let's say teacher ने सबको group एक class है जिसमें 30-40 students है, teacher ने ठीक है, I'm giving everyone 2 minutes to read the passage. Right? Some people will end up reading within 2 minutes. Some people won't be able to read. Or maybe teacher is giving 2 minutes to solve a maths question. ठीक है, I'm giving you 2 or 3 minutes to solve on your own first, and then after that we will discuss. Now, if you have not worked on yourself before you joined a coaching center, you will struggle a lot in class. Your confidence will go low. Okay, यहाँ पे I'm not able to compete with these 30 students. How will I be able to compete with those 3 lakh students? Isn't it? So make sure you work on your basic reading skills, basic calculation skills, basic reasoning skills for DLR section, right? Like that. Maybe start, if you're really weak, start with some newspaper में जो puzzles होते हैं आप उससे start कीजिए. For quants, solve some basic level of arithmetic algebra question, revise कर लो सारे formulas जितने भी हैं. Verbal में I said half an hour daily read करके comprehension improve हो जाए. So that when you join the coaching center, some teacher is asking you to read the question once on your own, try solving on your own. आप at least उसको within the given time frame समझ के solve कर पा रहे हो. फिर हाँ गलत हो गया, teachers will help you how to get it correct. पर question ही समझ नहीं पा रहे हो, question read time से नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो वहाँ पे nobody helps, right? That is the trend in coaching centers. I have been working in this industry for last 12 years, and that is how it happens. So you have to work on yourself individually before you join any coaching center. That's what you need to know. Few things also I feel one should still join at least 1 year before, because first of all, throughout a lot of people either are working, doing some job, or are in college, right? So कुछ ना कुछ exams होते हैं. In those days you're not able to prepare or attend classes for this exam. That happens. Some really negative situation happens. You're not able to focus on studies and you want to take a break for 1 week, 10 days. So if you start early, whatever is happening, you still have some peace of mind कि ठीक है, I'm not lagging behind, I'm still on track. And if I take a break of 1 week, 10 days, or let's say even for something good, going on a trip with friends, it's okay, I can still catch up, right? But when you start late, it puts a lot of pressure on you. You're not able to handle a lot of things, right? It happens to majority of students. So I feel just for your peace of mind and just to be on the safer side, it's better to start early. Having said that, it does not guarantee that if you're starting early, you'll still crack the exam, because I've seen some students taking this time for granted that, okay, I've started early, I have enough time, I'll start easily, I'll start from next month, right now I'll just attend classes, watch some YouTube videos. No, whenever you're starting, be it 12 months before, be it 8 months before, 6 months before, you have to take that time very seriously and you have to invest some time consistently. Consistency is the key, because this exam is not like school exam where a book is there, something will be asked from that book. So if I just have to go through that book and then if I know all the concepts, all the topics, I'll be able to write something. No, this exam has very limited topics, just some 15 to 20 topics, but they ask advanced level questions from those topics. So you have to keep practicing one topic, one concept at least 100 times, 200 times maybe, to be perfect at it, so that any kind of questions, any level of questions thrown at you in exam from that concept, you'll be able to solve it easily and crack it with flying colors with 99%. So that's what you have to know. It's not a syllabus specific exam. Syllabus is very limited. Like verbal has, VARC has just, I would say, 5 topics. That is reading comprehension, para jumble, odd one out, para completion, summary question, right? It doesn't have a lot. Similarly, majority of your 60% question in maths, in quant section, comes from arithmetic, algebra, geometry. Of course, there are more topics, but then even if you do this, you can easily clear the cutoff for top 10 IIMs. So we need to understand that it's not like, okay, arithmetic, I've done this. It's not enough. You should be able to solve all the tricky questions. You should start with some past year questions, at least one past year question paper, to get an idea how much comfortable you are. Are you able to solve some 40-50% questions also correctly? If yes, you can start a little late. You can just prepare on your own, watching various free YouTube videos, free content available on various websites, right? बहुत सारा free content, free mock tests, sectional tests, classes available है. Like I take 9:30 PM पे, regular sessions, live sessions where I interact with students, where I, for example, कुछ doubts होते हैं वो मैं group में solve करती हूँ. And right now I'm doing all these things for free. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे लोग कर रहे हैं ये चीजें, right? अगर आप YouTube पे जाओगे, अगर CAT 2024 या CAT 2025 लिखोगे, तो free content बहुत सारे लोग दे रहे हैं. तो आप पहले उससे शुरू कीजिए. अगर आपकी 40-50% accuracy भी है, आपको इतना समझ आ रहा है. But if you're very clueless, you're finding the question paper very difficult, it's better to start early, right? And I would say ज़्यादातर students को question paper पेपर डिफिकल्ट ही लगता है। आपको आंसर की भी मिल जाएगी, गूगल पे फ्रीली अवेलेबल, आप लिखिए कैट पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, राइट। आपको लाइक बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स मिल जाएंगी स्टार्टिंग में, आप बस डाउनलोड कीजिए कोई भी कैट 2023, कैट 2022, सॉल्व वन स्लॉट, सम रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, सम क्वांट क्वेश्चंस, सम डीएलआर क्वेश्चंस एंड गेट एन आइडिया वेयर डू यू स्टैंड। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग, जब आप कैट के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, यू आर डूइंग इट टू गेट इनटू टॉप कॉलेज। नाउ व्हाई डू यू वांट टू गेट इनटू टॉप कॉलेज? टू गेट द बेस्ट प्लेसमेंट, best package, best salary, isn't it? Now package of placement happens in the first semester, first 5 to 6 months of your college, so you have to start working on your profile also. It's not just preparation of CAT exam, right? Verbal, quant, DLR, it's preparation of much more. Having said that, majority of the students want to be on the safer side, so they target many other exams also. It's like there are very few students who are only targeting CAT exam. आप CAT के अलावा maybe other management exams दे रहे होगे, you know, like SAT, NMAT, SNAP, उनकी preparation भी आप साथ में करोगे, या maybe some government exams, some bank exams also students are taking, right? Maybe some study abroad exams like GRE, GMAT भी चलो ये भी देख लेते हैं, जहाँ पे भी सिलेक्शन हो जाए, जहाँ पे भी अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए। तो to basically tackle all these things, handle all these things within a short span of time gets very difficult. So make sure you start at least 1 year before, so that you can always think कि ठीक है अभी आप सही जा रहे हो रास्ते पे, you want to change your path, you want to still like you know do this plus something else, work on your profile, do some internship at the same time, right? अगर आप जॉब साथ में करो, जॉब भी सफर नहीं करे, राइट? इफ यू हैव वर्क, इफ यू डोंट हैव वर्क एक्सपीरियंस तो क्या कोई सर्टिफिकेशन कर लेना है, ऑल दोस थिंग्स यू कैन प्लान फॉर योरसेल्फ, ताकि जैसे ही आप किसी गुड कॉलेज में जाओ, आप इंटरव्यू की भी आपका अच्छा जाए, एट द सेम टाइम आपकी जो प्लेसमेंट है वो अच्छी ही लगे। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स मेक श्योर, एज आई सेड कि एक पॉइंट मैं रिपीट करना चाहूंगी कि डिपेंडेंसी, राइट? यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ स्पोर्ट्स कोच। नाउ स्पोर्ट्स कोच के लेट्स से ओलंपिक्स में गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट और अब वो कोच बन गया। नाउ एवरीबॉडी will go to that person because they think okay he can teach the person best. Now I am someone who doesn't even take a 30-minute walk on daily basis, और मैं उस कोच के पास गई कि भाई आप मुझे ये वाला स्पोर्ट सिखाओ, and you're someone who are physically more active, who always you know go to gym regularly, or maybe you go for a 30-minute run on daily basis. Now even though coach is giving us same amount of time and efforts, you will end up performing better than I do, because अभी तो मेरा स्टैमिना ही नहीं है, मैं तो वॉक भी नहीं करती हूँ, राइट? लाइक दैट। सो हम किस लेवल पे कुछ अपने पे काम करके जब कोचिंग सेंटर ज्वाइन करते हैं, उस पे भी डिपेंड करते हैं कि अपना कोचिंग सेंटर हमारा कितना इंप्रूवमेंट कर सकता है। सो हमें एटलीस्ट एक एवरेज लेवल पे जाना है। इफ यू बिलो एवरेज, इफ यू फाइंडिंग क्वेश्चन पेपर, पास्ट क्वेश्चन पेपर वेरी डिफिकल्ट, इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू वर्क ऑन दोस थिंग्स फॉर फर्स्ट मंथ। बेसिक स्किल्स, मेन क्वेश्चन पेपर में आप अच्छे हो जाओ, बट क्वेश्चन पेपर देख के पता चल रहा है कि रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के क्वेश्चन है, तो थोड़े से एटलीस्ट 50-60 पैसेजेस आप खुद से सॉल्व कर लो। अच्छा अरिथमेटिक या अलजेब्रा क्वेश्चन, तो अरिथमेटिक कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो ताकि आपका एक कंफर्ट लेवल बन जाए विद ओवरऑल सिलेबस, एंड देन व्हेन यू गो आप एक्चुअली क्लास में क्या बता रहे हैं सब कुछ एब्जॉर्ब कर पाओगे, 100% एब्जॉर्ब कर पाओगे। अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है, जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द टीचर इज सेइंग, व्हाट द क्वेश्चन वांट्स यू टू डू, वही उसमें टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा। आंसर कैसे निकालना है, अप्रोचेस क्या है, वो वर्क ही नहीं करेंगे आपके लिए, राइट? सो मेक श्योर यू डू नॉट डू दैट, यू वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ फॉर कपल ऑफ मंथ्स एंड देन यू जॉइन फॉर कैट 2025 लाइक टू एनी कोचिंग सेंटर, बिकॉज उससे आपकी प्रिपरेशन और इजी रहेगी आई वुड से। एंड आइडियली यस 1 year इज डेफिनेटली राइट टाइम टू स्टार्ट, बट स्टार्ट करने का ये मतलब नहीं है टू ऑलवेज पे द मनी एंड स्टार्ट। यू कैन ऑलवेज स्टार्ट ऑन योर ओन फर्स्ट एंड देन पे द मनी आफ्टर कपल ऑफ मंथ्स, राइट? सो आई होप यू गॉट एन आइडिया स्टूडेंट्स, एंड ऑल्सो सम फ्री रिसोर्सेज आई विल रेकमेंड यू। आप लोग कुछ वेबसाइट्स पे जा सकते हैं जहाँ पे काफी हेल्पफुल है, वैसे सारी वेबसाइट्स फ्री है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरी यूट्यूब चैनल है वर्बलॉजी, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे कैट रिलेटेड कंटेंट डालती रहती हूँ, तो आप क्लासेस के लिए VRC के लिए ये देख सकते हो। आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं तो अगर आप गूगल पे लिख दोगे कैट पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर, जैसे टोल्ड यू कैट के क्वेश्चंस, तो 2IIM, CrackU, Bodhi Prep. We talk about free mocks, right? So free mocks, you'll get a lot of free mocks on websites like iQuanta, Unacademy, and even website like IMS, Career Launcher, like you know mocks famous in coaching centers के ये अच्छे क्वालिटी के बनाते हैं ये लोग भी। one mock they will give you free on their websites, so you can go through almost जो भी anyone who is running a CAT coaching like industry या business, वो definitely आपको कुछ free study material, some sectional mocks या mocks free में देंगे ही देंगे for sure। तो आप सबकी वेबसाइट्स पे पहले थोड़ा सा आप कंटेंट यूज कीजिए, गेट एन आइडिया ऑफ द एग्जाम, राइट? उसके बाद ही यू एंड अप पेइंग। सी एट द सेम टाइम दिस एग्जाम इज अ लॉट अबाउट स्ट्रैटेजी देन नॉलेज। ऑफ कोर्स नॉलेज और कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स तो आपको आने ही चाहिए, बट हैविंग सेड दैट स्ट्रैटेजी स्मार्ट वर्क भी जरूरी है। फर्स्ट 2 months 3 months यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड, कंप्लीट अ सिलेबस, उसके बाद आपको नेविगेट करना हाउ शुड यू लाइक नो गो अबाउट इट। सो मुझे लगता है मॉक्स भी आपको थोड़ा जल्दी स्टार्ट कर लेने चाहिए, सो दैट कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही सी अटेम्प्टिंग अ 2 hour मॉक इज लाइक आप एग्जैक्टली एग्जाम के दिन क्या परफॉर्म करने वाले हो, आपको आइडिया मिल जाता है। तो अगर ये चीज भी आप जल्दी स्टार्ट करते हो तो यू नो व्हाट्स गोइंग रॉन्ग, कहाँ पे गलती हो रही है, यू हैव इनफ टाइम टू इम्प्रूव इट। सो आई विल रेकमेंड कि आप डेफिनेटली स्टार्ट 1 year बिफोर, लाइक फ्रॉम नाउ, जिसमें कि आप फर्स्ट कपल ऑफ मंथ्स, अभी राइट नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल अक्टूबर इज गोइंग ऑन, तो अक्टूबर नवंबर आप पहले अपने खुद से थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर कीजिए, गेट एन आइडिया ऑफ द एग्जाम, एंड आफ्टर दैट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम समवेयर यू लाइक, राइट? आप वैसे भी कर सकते हो। सो दैट इज व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इज द राइट वे। हैविंग सेड दैट स्टूडेंट्स, इफ देयर एनी क्वेश्चन, एनी डाउट्स रिगार्डिंग CAT 2025 preparation, specifically verbal preparation, I'll always be there for you because as told you I come live at 9:30 PM, तो वहां पे अपने क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो, या फिर इस वीडियो के कमेंट्स में भी आप मुझे कुछ भी अपने रिलेटेड डाउट्स हैं, क्वेश्चंस है, वो आप पूछ सकते हो। सो दैट इज इट फॉर टुडे। आई विल सी यू सून विद नेक्स्ट वीडियो।